Hi friends, welcome to EngageTech. Here in this video, we shall learn how to speak fluent English. Many of my students and friends also always ask me a question, and that question is, Sir, how to speak fluent English? Friends, if you want to improve your fluency in English language, you should pay attention to 6 important points which I am going to discuss here in this video. These 6 points are: 1. Proper or moderate speed of speaking. 2. Grammatical correctness. 3. Semantically acceptable sentences. 4. Correct usage. 5. Accurate pronunciation. And 6. Accent. That is, you should pay attention to these 6 points if you want to learn to speak fluent English. Now let me discuss these 6 points elaborately here in this video. If you want to be a fluent speaker of English language, you should pay attention to proper speed of speaking. We have misunderstanding about fluency. If someone speaks fast, we consider him to be a fluent speaker of English, but that is not the fact. The fact is quite different. Speaking fast does not mean speaking fluent English. Speaking slow also does not mean speaking fluent English. If you want to be a fluent speaker in English language, you should speak neither fast nor slow. Your speed of speaking should be simply moderate. That is, you should speak with moderate speed if you want to become a fluent speaker of English language. In this way, if you want to become a fluent speaker of English language, you should speak with moderate speed. Secondly, you should use grammatically correct sentences. If you compose grammatically incorrect sentences, it means that you are not a fluent speaker of English language. You should speak grammatically correct sentences, and only then you can become a fluent speaker of English language. The next important point about fluency you should keep in mind is you should make semantically acceptable sentences. The term semantic means related to meaning. That is, so far as meaning is concerned, the sentences should be correct. Sometimes the sentences are grammatically correct, but semantically, that is, so far as meaning is concerned, they are not acceptable. For example, I am understanding. This sentence is grammatically correct, but semantically it is not acceptable. So far as its meaning is concerned, it is not acceptable. Instead of saying I am understanding, one should say I understand or I understood, and only then that sentence will be acceptable. In this way, to be a fluent speaker of English language, you should learn to compose semantically acceptable sentences also. The next point, to speak fluent English, you should pay attention to is correct usage. The term usage means using a proper word at a proper place in a sentence. For example, he committed suicide. If someone speaks this sentence like he did a suicide, it will be grammatically correct, but so far as rules of usage are concerned, the sentence will be wrong. In this way, in the two sentences, he did a suicide and he committed suicide, the second one is more appropriate than the first one. The next example of correct usage I would like to cite here is he requested for life and he begged for life. In these two sentences, the second sentence is more appropriate than the earlier. In this way, you should pay attention to correct usage in English language if you want to become a fluent speaker of English language. The next important point to which you should pay attention is accurate pronunciation. Sometimes people have knowledge of grammar. They can compose semantically acceptable sentences also. They have enough knowledge of correct usage also. They speak with moderate speed, yet they could not make good impression on the minds of listeners because they lack knowledge of pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce the words accurately in English, it may make very wrong impression on the minds of listeners, and therefore you should learn correct pronunciation of words in English also. Here I would like to give example of two simple words. The first one is the word pronunciation itself. Here this word pronunciation is quite simple, but most of the speakers pronounce that word as pronunciation, but its pronunciation is not pronunciation but pronunciation. Pronunciation is correct, pronunciation is wrong. The next example I would like to cite here is village. The spelling of this word is V-I-L-L-A-G-E. It is pronounced as village by 99% people, but it is not village, it is village. Its correct pronunciation is village and not village. And in this way, you should pay attention to accurate pronunciation of words in English if you want to become a fluent speaker of English language. The next point to which you should pay attention is accent. Accent means a way of speaking. People living in a particular region have their own particular accent. They develop their own accent. Even a person has his own accent. Every person develops his own way of speaking. In short, he develops his own accent. You should try to develop your good and effective accent in speaking. You should try to follow the native speakers of English language in their accent. You should try to follow their accent, but you should not try to imitate them. Sometimes the speakers try to imitate the native speakers. That is, they try to imitate Americans and the British in their accent, and they produce laughable and humorous effect. You should try to follow them. You should not try to imitate them. We cannot speak exactly like Americans or British because the structure of our vocal cords is quite different from their vocal cords. This part of our body is called vocal cords, and when we produce sounds, at that time the lung air passes through these vocal cords, and in this way we produce sounds. The structure of vocal cords of the people living in America and British, that is the cold weather, is different from the structure of our vocal cords, and therefore their accent and their pronunciation is different from our accent and our pronunciation, and therefore we cannot exactly speak like them, and therefore we should try to follow them. We should not try to imitate them, which may produce laughable and humorous effect. In this way, friends, if you want to improve your fluency in English language, you should pay attention to 6 points. The first one is moderate speed of speaking in English. The second one is grammatical correctness. The third one is semantically acceptable English. The fourth one is correct usage. The fifth one is accurate pronunciation, and the sixth one is accent. I hope you might have understood this video. If you like this video, click the like icon, share the video with your friends also, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.